Donald Trump is turning up the heat, not just on China, but on the BRICS alliance. His message is bold. If you side with BRICS, you face tariffs. So, what's really going on here? Just minutes back, he reiterated his stance that the BRICS country would pay 10% tariff, including India. BRICS, once just a grouping of emerging economies, is now becoming a global power bloc. With new members like Iran, UAE, and Egypt, it controls nearly a third of world's GDP and half of its population. But what really rattles Washington? De-dollarization. BRICS countries are increasingly trading in local currencies, reducing dependence on the US dollar, and talking about building a new global payment system that threatens America's financial dominance, and Trump knows it.
BRICS was set up to degenerate our dollar and take our dollar as the standard, take it off as the standard. And that's okay if they want to play that game, but I can play that game too. So anybody that's in BRICS is getting a 10% charge.
Is that a need?
We broke up. BRICS is not, in my opinion, not a serious threat. But what they're trying to do is destroy the dollar so that another country can take over and be the standard. And we're not going to lose the standard at any time.
BRICS is also backing alternative development banks, bypassing the IMF and World Bank. It's not just an economic bloc anymore, it's a strategic challenge to the US led world order. And with countries from Africa, Latin America, and Asia queuing up to join, Trump sees a moment of escalation, using tariffs as a tool of economic pressure. Trump, in his statement, had said that he does not perceive these countries as stronger, but as countries who undermine USA policies.
Monitoring it, which is why he put out a statement himself. He does not perceive these countries as growing stronger. He just perceives them as trying to undermine the United States' interests, and that's not okay with him, no matter how strong or weak a country may be. Go ahead.
BRICS, in a joint statement, condemned Trump's tariff policies by terming it as weaponization of trade and method of coercion. During cabinet meeting and on Truth Social, Trump warned that any BRICS country or anyone supporting what he described as an anti-American policies would face an additional 10% tariff. Trump tariffs may hurt BRICS in the short term, but in the long run, they might just be pushing the bloc closer together and